Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, you guys, I missed you guys so much. I really did. As some of you may or may not know, last Wednesday, July 1st, was my anniversary. My husband and I, we hit 4 years, and he actually had some time off, which is, it never happens. So I definitely wanted to just soak up that quality time and just spend time with just him. But now I'm back, you guys, and now I'm here with a quick haul for today. Two little quick transactions. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up the Venus razors. This week they're on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one you get 3,000 points. So I'm going to pick up one. My store only has two. They only have two different razors. All the other ones are gone. Oh well, three. But anyway, so I'm going to pick up one of these at $9.99, and then I do have a $4 digital, which is going to drop it down to $5.99 and get back 3,000 points, making these razors just $2.99 for Venus razors, which I think is pretty good. Now I'm going to be moving down to some shave cream. So this Venus Pure Shave Cream is on sale this week for $5.99, and when you buy one you get 2,000 points. So I'm going to pick up one of these for $5.99, and I currently have a $2 digital, which is going to drop it down to $3.99, and I'm going to get back 2,000 points, making this just $1.99 for some Pure Venus. And like I said, this must be a new product, but it will go perfect with the razor, so I'm just going to pick up one of these as well. And to complete this first transaction, I'm going to be picking up some Revlon. So this week the Revlon and Almay is on sale for when you buy two you get a $5 registry reward. So I'm going to pick up two of these Revlon Kiss Bombs priced at $4.99. So that's going to total to $9.98, and you're going to get back a $5 registry reward, making them $4.98 or just $2.49 each. Now that alone is a good deal, but it's even better when you have registry rewards. So I have this $5 registry reward that I got from last week, doing a deal from last week. So $9.98, I'm going to use this $5 registry reward, dropping it down to just $4.98, and I'm going to get back a $5 registry reward, making these completely free. So I'm going to be picking up two of these, and I'm going to get my quick freebie, and this completes the first transaction. So quick recap for my first transaction. I'm picking up the Venus razors priced at $9.99. And when you buy one, you get back 3,000 points, and I have that $4 digital. I'm picking up the Pure Venus Shave Cream priced at $5.99. When you buy one, you get back 2,000 points, and I have a $2 digital. Then I'm doing the Revlon. When you buy two, you get a $5 registry reward. They're priced at $4.99 each. And then remember, you guys, I have that registry reward, that $5 registry reward that I'm going to use from last week. My total before coupon comes out to $25.98. I'm also going to be using that spin booster. When you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. So after all of the digitals come off, it's going to go, my total is going to be $14.96. And then I'm going to get back a total of $15, $5,000 for the point booster, $3,000 for the razors, $2,000 for the shave cream, as well as $5 registry reward, making this transaction completely free. Now let's move on to transaction 2. So you guys, that laundry deal is back, the buy four for $8. As you can see, my store is completely out of the Tide Simply. All they have is the bigger bottles, and that's not what I came here for, so I'm not going to pick up those. But before I get into my transaction, I also want to let you guys know that this week the Arm & Hammer is on sale for buy one and you get two free. Now I will be picking up my share of Arm & Hammer this week. However, I am going to wait till after the beauty event so that I can use my points. But I also wanted to let you guys know, just in case that's not your plan and you wanted to pick up some laundry products, you can. So for the buy four for $8, that's for the Tide Simply, the small container of Downy Unstoppables, the Downy fabric softener, as well as the Bounce dryer sheets. So I'm gonna put a scenario together because I was gonna do all Tide Simply, but they're out, as well as there is someone on this aisle with me. So you guys, I'm gonna recap after I decide which products I'm gonna pick up. For this transaction, I will also be picking up some of the Febreze. I am really excited that this Febreze is on sale because I needed some. So Thank you, Lord, because you know exactly what to do. Anyway, so the Febreze is on sale this week for 2 for $6. So we have the air sprays, we have the car fresheners, as well as the fabric sprays that I just showed. They're on sale for 2 for $6, and we have a 3 off of 2 coupon. Now be careful, you guys, because they do not work on the air sprays, but I will be picking up 2 of the Febreze fabric sprays, using that $3 off of 2, making them $3 for both, or just $1.50. And like I said, be careful, because if you pick these up, if you want to use that coupon, they do not work on the sprays. And to finish off my second transaction, I will be picking up some oral care products. So I was looking for the toothbrushes that are priced at $3.99. Just in case you're unaware of the deal, this week the oral care is buy 2 and you get the third free, and you can mix and match. So like I said, I was trying to find the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3.99, and I was only able to find one down here in this pile. So I have this one priced at $3.99. And since they only have one, I'm gonna mix and match with some toothpaste. So I'm looking right now for the cheapest one. I see some $3.99s, and I believe I ended up picking up 2 that was priced at $3.58 or $3.59. Yes, $3.59 right here. So of course the toothbrush and one of these toothpastes, they're gonna total out to $7.58. Now there is a 7 off of 3 coupon, which will make them just all 3 for 58 cents. However, I do have the 5 off of 3 clipped, which will make them $2.58 for all 3, which is still a pretty good deal. And yeah, so that completes my second transaction. I'm going to put everything up and show you guys exactly what I got, and so on and so forth. So you guys, now I'm just going to go over my transaction 2. So I'm picking up 2 of the Febreze fabric sprays priced at 2 for $6. And I'm going to use that 3 off of 2 coupon. Then for the oral care, they're on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 free. So I'm picking up 1 of the Oral-B priced at $3.99, as well as 2 of the toothpaste, which is priced. 1 is going to be priced at $3.58, and I'm going to be using that 5 off of 3 coupon. And then for the laundry, I just decided to get 2 of the Tide Simply, 1 Bounce and 1 Downy. It's going to total out to $8, and I'm going to use this $2 off coupon. Now I'm going to use this coupon 4 times. Now I just be aware of your stores, because my store has a limit of 4 like coupons, even though they say a limit of 1, which will make them all free. So before coupons, my total comes out to $21.58. On my other account, I do have another spin booster when you spend $20. So after all of my digitals and my paper coupon, it's going to drop it down to $5.58. And I will get back the 5,000 points for spending $20, making everything 58 cents. Now, I really hope everything goes as planned, because that is an amazing deal. So this is everything that I'm picking up today at Walgreens. Like I said, no big haul today, because I will be coming back on Thursday for the beauty event. Of course, now I'm just going to be going to the front and put everything back in my cart, go up to the front. I'm going to check out, and then you guys are going to see me in the car, and I'm going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Thank you for just keep watching. If you like what you see so far, you guys, don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. So now let me put this stuff in the cart, and I'll see you guys back in the car. Okay, so I did want to show you guys my receipt, as well as talk about, did the transactions go the way I planned, and if I had to do anything. So this was transaction 1. So you see the Venus, the shave cream for $5.99, the razors for $9.99, and then the 2 kiss bombs for $4.99 each. So the $4 Venus razor coupon, as well as the registry reward attached. The $2 coupon for the shave cream did not, but however, I did call customer service, and they did credit me the 2,000 points. So that's good. So instead of 16, so if you go and then the coupon comes off, so it's going to be, instead of $16.96, $14.96. And then I got back, what did I get back? I got back the 5,000 points for spending the boost. I got back, so it doesn't show, which is crazy. It doesn't show. All it told me is that that the points earned from this transaction will post within 3 to 5 days. So I went to my app to see the points. at first they didn't show, and I was kind of nervous, but when I called customer service and everything, they said it was on there. And then I checked later and I did see them. So I did get the 5,000 points for the boost. I got the 2,000 for the Venus, the 3,000 for the Venus razors, and I got back my $4 registry reward, which was a total of $15, making all of this just well, technically making it free, because when you count the 2,000 points, that's 17,000 points that I got a total of. So $16.96, and I got back a total of 17,000 points, making this transaction free, which was good. For the second transaction, yeah. So for the second transaction, you know, I did the so the oral care is buy two, get one free. So I wanted to do the toothbrush, the Oral-B toothbrushes, but they only had one. So I picked up one at $9.99, and then two of the toothpaste at $3.59. Of course, one was free. Then the Febreze, they're 2 for $6 this week. And then I picked up the two of the Tide Simplies, a Downy, as well as the Bounce, which were 4 for $8. Now, these are the coupons that came off. So all of those $2 coupons came off the way they were supposed to. But my $3 off Febreze, the 3 off of 2 did not attach. So I'm actually going to call them back, because it says right here that this is the Febreze refreshener, but I didn't have a $2. There is no $2 coupon. The only $2 coupons I have were the 4 that I showed, the 4 for the Tide, the 4 for $8 deal. And then for my Crest, I had $1. The $1 came off. So not the 5 or the 7, which was a bummer. And this is crazy too, because this is $1 off of 1. Boy, I picked up a total of 3 items. I mean, I even have a 3 off of 2, which would have been better than this, but you know, so yeah, I'm gonna call about that $3, the 3 off of 2, and see if I can get that, because like I said, I don't have a $2 Febreze coupon. So hopefully they can look on there and actually see that, because it shows right here that a $2 coupon attached to each one of the sprays, which was kind of weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 $2 coupons, but I only had 4 $2 coupons, and then that 3 off of 2, and then that 5 off of 3, but it didn't come off. Only thing came off was that $1. So, and I forgot to use my other account. I used the same account as the last thing, so I didn't use my spend 20 get 5,000 points. So it was $10.58, and I used points, so I just paid the tax, the 58 cents plus tax. So it's not terrible, considering the fact I got all of that on the second transaction for just $10. However, that wasn't what my plan, it just wasn't my plan at all. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys that. I definitely wanted to put that into the video, but that's all I have, you guys. So for everything that I got, what was that? So everything cost me $10 and 50 something cents, which is still overall a good deal. Like I said, I wanted this haul to be really quick, because I have a lot of registry rewards. So most of the deals I want to do is going to be part of the beauty event starting Thursday. So I will be having a video first thing in the morning on Thursday. I'm gonna go do my shopping early in the morning, and then after that, I'm gonna try to do all my beauty shopping in one day, because I don't really think I have a lot of things to do, that I want to buy. And then I'm gonna do one more transaction probably that Friday. That way it's still kind of early if you guys wanted to see it. But in that transaction, in that haul, I'm pretty much just using some of my points from the beauty event, because there is some stuff that I want to get and I would like to kind of stock up on, but I like to spend the least amount of money out of pocket. So I'm just going to use some of my beauty points from Thursday and roll them into my deals on Friday. So if you want to check those out, you guys, be on the lookout for Thursday as well as Friday for some really good I like to think some really good beauty transactions, and I'm going to be scoring a lot of points. So I hope this video was helpful in any way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, you guys, bye.